one thing about driving around the island, there's always something to look at. Except for the road. Look at this, people. This is a rarity. It is a train. It is a train. I have to slow down. Well, that's definitely, I haven't caught a train on this channel for a while. Slow down, see what we can get around here. Action with the trains. It's down below there. Get the train and the coast. This is a rarity. I've slowed down to try to not get too far ahead of the train. There's no one behind me. Where am I going to go next? Obviously leaving the port of Burnie. There's the engines, just good enough catching up to the engines. There you go, Tasrail. Here we go. Tasrail, slow down. Pacing him at the moment. I think everyone's getting angry with me for slowing down. But I'm doing the speed limit right now. This is the 60. That's very rare, catching the train while I'm driving over here. Turn right. Ah, here we go. Surprise, look who's here. That's the train. I might just pull over here into this bus and take it. This bus and train going. Catch back up to
Throw me a line, land of the free. Bad luck and trouble comes in three. Mean disposition. Spoiled to the core, flag flying high, tattered and torn away. I
Here's the back of the train.
to see it through. I walk through a house of fire and lose my way with you. I walk through a house of fire and
Well, this has made the content interesting. I'm doing 60 kilometers an hour, or just under it actually. It's a garbage truck. taking away the ocean view, but hey, this is different. A little sausage though. And we're catching back up to the engines again. TR14, which is the Tasrail, and TR04. Be a good spot here where we can see the ocean as well. And the train comes past. He's there, the same height there. Sit here, admire the water. Look how peaceful it is, how quiet it is, how lovely it is.
Stand up and you will plainly see these pointing fingers. Well, they worry me.
And then the train's supposed to come.
Messing around may not be right for some.
See if he turns up.
But they make a line from here, kingdom come. Oh, well, I long to see it through. While I walk through a house of fire,
And here he comes.
lose my way.
The waves are crashing.
How did you lose your old tattoo? Don't look so blameless.
They've definitely got to go slower around these bends by the look of it.
I've heard your secrets all down the wire. Your delusion,
I'll put the window
I
up.
have no desire. Oh, well,
All these containers go all over the island.
to see
Come in on the ship, on the cargo ship, into Burnie,
walk through a house of
get
fire.
loaded on,
Lose my way.
and off to their destinations.
Loose tongue and smoking guns have me beat. Don't
We're
fail
going to go over there,
twain.
up that hill there, and the train's going to stay down below.
Trade for rubies, trade for gold.
This is the other side of the island there.
Maidens for makers, bought and sold. Oh, well,
Oh, you know, come on a drive with me.
long to
I'll show you
see
things.
it through.
There's a bike track as well.
I walk through a house of fire.
Yeah. Let's go back. Catch up to the train. Not far to go to where we need to be anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this little adventure. I'm going to hear listen to his music and ride them along. The Penguin Surf Club building is up here. The train's going to be going like that. See him too often.
Hi, I'm Jordan from Boat Harbour, and the best thing to do when you get home from a long day at work, switch on the telly, and on to Radio Jonesy.
Hi, I'm David. I check out Radio Jonesy. You should too.
I'm Mick from Deloraine. I watch Radio Jonesy all the time.
Torpedoes fall from the sky and I'm on